Hello, welcome back to Igbo Online College. No na Igbo Online College. Ụmụnne m, daalụnụ. Thank you. To my old and new subscribers, I am very grateful to you for subscribing and staying. Thank you so much. My name is Edith Ngobu, aka Ugom Sinachi. Afam bụ Edith Ngobu, aka Ugom Sinachi. On this channel, remember, we bring you lessons on the Igbo language, culture, and a bit of entertainment. And I've been away for a minute. Yes, a very long while. That's because the phone I was using got bad. It refused to export my videos. It refused to do nothing. So I couldn't do anything. But now I am back and better. I have a new device that I record with. That's a new phone anyway. So I'm going to be giving you back to back. My honest desire is to upload learning videos every day because that is my passion. I want millions of people to understand Igbo, to learn Igbo from the right source. And you know what? This channel is the right source. So I urge you to subscribe if you've not done so, share, and leave us a comment. Remember to give us a massive thumbs up. Thank you. Cordial Goza.